Did you know that some frozen foods can accelerate muscle loss even faster than aging itself? At our age, maintaining strong muscles isn't just about appearance, it's about staying steady on our feet, lifting what we need without help, and moving through life without the fear of falling. Yet, tucked away in freezers across the country are foods quietly working against all of that. They may look harmless, even convenient, but doctors have been warning for years that certain frozen foods can weaken muscles in ways that are easy to miss. This isn't about avoiding your freezer entirely, it's about knowing what's really inside and how it affects your body. Today, we'll go over 5 frozen foods every senior should think twice about. And the last one might surprise you the most, because it's something most people believe is perfectly safe. Let's get started. 1. Frozen breaded chicken patties. Frozen breaded chicken patties may seem like a quick way to get protein, but they're far from senior-friendly when it comes to muscle health. While plain chicken is an excellent lean protein, the frozen breaded version is often made from processed meat, mixed with fillers, and coated in thick breading that adds more carbs and unhealthy fats than actual nutrition. Many are pre-fried before freezing, which lowers the protein quality your muscles need to stay strong. The high sodium content can cause water retention, raise blood pressure, and upset the balance of minerals like potassium and magnesium, both essential for muscle contraction and repair. The convenience is tempting, but it comes at the cost of low-quality protein, preservatives, and empty calories. A better option? Cook plain chicken breasts yourself, portion them out, and freeze them. You'll still have the convenience, but with clean, muscle-friendly protein. 2. Frozen pasta meals. Frozen pasta dinners look comforting: creamy Alfredo, cheesy lasagna, hearty meat sauces, but inside they're a mix of refined white flour, sodium, preservatives, and added sugars. White flour spikes blood sugar, and then causes an energy crash, leaving your muscles without steady fuel. The sauces are often loaded with sodium and sugar, both of which promote inflammation and slow muscle recovery. Protein levels are usually far below what seniors need to prevent muscle loss. If you love pasta, keep it, but make it work for your muscles. Use whole grain pasta, fresh sauce, and add a proper protein source like chicken, fish, or beans. 3. Frozen pizza. Frozen pizza is a comfort food many keep on hand, but it's a hidden threat to muscle strength. The crust is typically refined white flour, the cheese is often processed and low in real protein, and the meat toppings are high in saturated fats and preservatives. Combined with excessive sodium, this can trigger inflammation and interfere with your muscles' ability to use amino acids for repair. Portion sizes are another trap. The label might say a serving is 1 or 2 slices, but most people eat much more. Over time, this leads to more empty calories and fewer nutrients for muscle health. If you want pizza, make your own with a whole grain crust, fresh vegetables, lean meats, and real cheese. You'll get the taste without sacrificing strength. 4. Frozen breaded fish fillets. Fish is naturally a great source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Both protect muscles and reduce inflammation. But breaded frozen fish fillets are often made from lower-quality minced fish, covered in refined flour breading, and pre-fried in unhealthy oils. The result is more carbs, more sodium, and fewer muscle benefits. Chronic inflammation from these oils slows recovery, while high sodium can make you feel sluggish and less active. The fix: choose unbreaded, wild-caught fish, season it yourself, and bake it. That way, you keep the healthy fats and proteins without the excess carbs and sodium. 5. Frozen pancakes and waffles. They may feel like a harmless breakfast shortcut, but most frozen pancakes and waffles are just refined carbs and sugar with almost no meaningful protein. For seniors, that's a problem. Without enough protein in the morning, muscles go longer without the building blocks they need, increasing the risk of age-related muscle loss. Even whole-grain versions often contain mostly refined flour. Toppings like syrup and whipped cream just add more sugar and inflammation. If you love pancakes or waffles, make them yourself using oat, whole wheat, or almond flour, and add eggs or protein powder. Freeze your own batch so you have a healthier, muscle-supporting option ready to go. Final thoughts. Getting older means being more intentional about our daily choices. Avoiding the wrong frozen foods isn't about giving up convenience. It's about choosing the kind that supports your strength and independence. The few minutes saved by grabbing the wrong thing aren't worth losing mobility and energy in the long run. Life after 60 can still be full of vitality, but only if we keep fueling ourselves with foods that help us, not harm us. The best gift you can give yourself is the ability to keep doing what you love, without limit.